Well, I'm glad to see you're back. We're going to go outside here, see if we can get a little video for you and see what's going on. So we're going to head down here and see what kind of mischief we can get into. I'm going to cruise along here pretty good so you guys and gals don't get bored with it. It's not going to be a very long video, but I'm going to show you what we've got to get into out here. I'm burning garbage today, and I got a little insight on what to do and what not to do. So stay tuned and you'll see. Okay, so the fire sparked up pretty good now. I have separated my cardboard out of my first garbage bag, which we've accumulated over a period of weeks. And of course we got the paper standing by ready for assistance in case it goes too dead on us. We got a couple more bags left. I've already took care of quite a few of them. And we're gonna unload the cardboard out of one of these and chunk one in. Okay, I need to tell you, don't throw the whole bag in without taking your cardboard out first, because it will smother your fire and it will smoke and smoke, and your neighbors ain't gonna like it. Okay, since we're going pretty good, we're gonna go over here and I'm gonna show you. I didn't want you to see me dig in the garbage, so I'm only gonna pull one box out and let you see how you should do it. So pull one box out, which is a Frosted Flakes box. Oh, isn't that neat? Kind of take your box, I'm doing this one-handed here, and open it up. Open your box up so the air can go through it. Give me a chance here. All right. Box is opened up, and once you open the box up, then you can drop it in the fire. You can see it standing straight up, and that causes it to burn quicker and better. And then we're going to come over here, we're going to grab one of these bags, and like I said, I previously unloaded all the boxes out of here because I don't really like digging in garbage on video, and you can see it's been open. We're going to drop it in next to that, and you can see how it's blazing real well. Of course, I'm going to back off a little bit so it doesn't melt the camera. And we'll stand here and watch it for a minute. Maybe I should roast a marshmallow. Okay, it's blazing pretty good. We're ready for the last bag. This is actually bag number 5. I just didn't show you. So all the boxes have been put in vertically and opened. All the cardboard, anything like that. Macaroni and cheese boxes, anything flammable and burnable. If the bag is wet, you sure don't want to put a wet bag on a fire, as it smothers it and it'll smolder, and that stuff will burn for 2 days. So we're going to go ahead and come over here and we're going to get the last bag. You can see it's been opened as well, because I didn't want you to see me digging in the garbage. And we're going to put it in there on top of all of that, if I can get out of the ashes. The ashes are really getting me. I do have a lid I put on it, and you can see here there's a screen as well, so if it gets to going too much, I can put that on there and smother it out if I needed to. But we've had a lot of rain, so we're not in a burn ban or anything like that. So the fire's burning real good, and it'll probably burn for, oh gosh, I don't know, probably all night till it's down to bottom ring on there. You can kind of see where the color differentiation is, and that's from where the ashes are sitting right now. So I do clean them out regular. I take the ashes and I'll either bury them or use them somewhere. So that's going to conclude our video for how to burn your garbage correctly. Don't forget, the key word here is correctly. Because if you just throw a bag in on top of a flame, it'll smother, smolder, neighbors will hate you, and you're going to see smoke 40 feet high. But this only has to be done probably once a month, and pardon the background noise, one of the people down the road just came home. But this only needs to be done once a month, and then, you know, it's a lot cheaper than paying somebody, and it's getting disposed of correctly. And not filling up our landfills, because always remember, be environmentally safe. See ya. before I completely sign out, I'd like to tell everybody thank you for watching. Please hit the like button, the subscribe button, the notification bell, because it all helps. And eventually we're going to get this thing up and running. Be patient, more to come.